Welcome to my channel, Magnificent World Through My Eyes. Yesterday, we had a busy and thrilling day. First, we went to Surkhanda Devi Mandir and then to Tehri Lake, where we had an awesome time on a speedboat. And where I saw my next place to stay on my next visit to Kanatal. Then we went back to our camp and showed you the beautiful place where we stayed at. In the evening, we went on a thrilling, adventurous trek where we almost got lost. Today, after leaving from Kanatal, we reached Dhanaulti, where we found a peaceful place to stay at. Then we went on a small track in the eco park where we came across potato and apple farming conducted by the forest department. Come along with me to explore Dhanaulti. Good morning everyone. So today I'm leaving from Kanatal and we are planning to go to Dhanaulti. Today, as you can see, I am wearing a jacket, means the weather is a little cold and it was foggy in the morning, so we missed the lovely sunrise. So this is the forest area. We are all packed. So we are all set to go to Dhanaulti. Our bags are all packed out there and we are waiting for some vehicle to come from Chamba so that we can take a lift on that vehicle and then head towards Dhanaulti, which is 15 kilometers from here. So we are going to stay there and I'm going to take you around Dhanaulti as we go there. Okay? So yes, this is the Tehri Forest Division. These are the trails and the route out here. So yesterday, as we were trekking all this way, we went to this waterhole 1 and we went to waterhole 2 and then a little down from here. But since it was getting a little late, so we went back, and this was the area where we were staying inside the forest. And the place we were staying is lovely. The view from our hotel was very, very beautiful. Here we are. I hope we get a lift. So it's 15 kilometers from here. It must take us half an hour to 45 minutes to reach Dhanaulti. So see you at Dhanaulti. Bye for now. Eco Park Dhanaulti. Okay, and he suggested us that there is a hut, eco hut here, which is very nice. So we decided to stay at this eco point. The weather is little hot right now. The sun is out. At this side, the sun is out. But if you look at the other side, you can see the So this is the hut's Dhanaulti, and this hut belongs to the forest department of Uttarakhand. This was a small reception here where we did the registration. The registration was done at this place only. And then here we got eco-friendly eco hut. You can see the floors were finely here. That was down. Now the eco park starts right from here. Even the stays are made of the bamboos. You do not have any concrete stays here. It's made of bamboos and the pebbles. So we go down. These are the bamboos and the pine trees. Oh, can you see that? That is a solar water heating system. So the details of it we need to find it out. But yes, this is a solar water heating system. With this, I think they supply water, hot water to all the huts. We come down. We have two huts on your right side, which I think is full, so we did not get this two huts. This is the canteen. The canteen is also made of bamboo. We'll see how the canteen is. A few tables and chairs. To be frank, not very interesting. So you have Dhanaulti Eco Park Smriti का उद्घाटन Dr. R.B.S. Rawat had done the inauguration of this eco hut in the year 2011, May 2011. So here are the eco huts, 4 huts in a row. Each hut has 2 rooms. This is 101 and we have the room 102 for us. So here you have a little sitting area with a bamboo chair. The chairs are made of bamboos. The hut itself is a bamboo hut, and the roof also is made of this bamboo strips. So let's explore the eco hut here, made of eco-friendly woods and bamboos. So we enter the room, we switch on the light. Okay, so we have few windows here for the light to come in here, and there is one window here. Let me just open it for you so that the room becomes a little bright. Okay, so you have to chairs made of bamboo. Even the table is made of bamboo, and a table lamp, a bamboo table lamp. Let's see. If you see the bed is also made of bamboos. Interestingly, the dustbin is also with the bamboo. A small stool. You have a dressing table here made of bamboo, and you have a small side table, a bamboo side table. And yes, this is your wardrobe, a bamboo wardrobe. You have an extra, I think this is the extra quilt if it gets cold, but I don't think so it would be that cold. And here is your bamboo wardrobe. And the most important part of any room is your toilet. It's a green one. Quite clean, neat and clean. You have a shower, you have a geyser and a exhaust fan here. Geyser is a must in a hill station, hill geyser. So we'll have a look on the outer part, the lawn here. There's a small lawn here with lot of pine trees. There are only few huts, but the area is very nice. Not much of a view to see around, but whatever we can see is really scenery. So here we go down from here to the lawn. There's a few steps here to go down to the lawn. Here we go down. Yes. Good place, or open space where we can have a good time. I think there was a tree open that we cut down. Okay, another tree. So you can see there are another huts out here. Few more huts out here. Let's go around the lawn. The trees above. Out here. So you can have a 360 view, or you can have a view of the all the huts. So this is the place where we are staying. This is the eco hut at Dhanaulti, which belongs to the forest department of Uttarakhand. So you can have a view of the huts here. Oh, I'll show you something. Come. each hut is provided with a rack to dry your clothes. So this is the place where we will be spending today. We will be spending today here. We will be staying here today. And tomorrow early morning we will be leaving from here towards to Kasuri.
My next video will be on a trek where we came across potato and apple farming conducted by the Forest Department. Stay tuned for another awesome trek with me.
Thank you for visiting my channel. Please like, comment and subscribe.